Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we started activity number 2. Today, we are going to discuss the third main question of activity number 2, that is, form the groups and write a drama script based on the story and then enact it. So today we are going to see all the 4 scenes of the drama. The name of the drama is 3 Meals and 1 Bath with 4 scenes. We are going to discuss from scene 1. The scene 1 is scene of Earth. The people on the earth are arguing over some point. That means there is a lot of discussion, argument going on between the people on the earth. There is a lot of commotion. Nothing is heard clearly. That means all the people are speaking together and nothing could be heard clearly. After a while, some leading persons came forward and quietened the noisy mob. So after this huge argument over something, some of the persons come forward and makes the mob quiet. One of the leaders said, "Please be quiet, I am going to make a very important announcement." Supporters said, "Please be quiet everybody, let's listen to him." The mob quietens and is ready to listen. So the person who came forward in order to quieten the mob, he said that everyone please be quiet, and the supporters made other people quiet so that they can listen to him. The mob quietens and it's ready to listen. The leader from a little higher platform, listen. First of all, I'll invite 3 or 4 of you to join me. We will go to Lord Shiva and put forward our proposal. We will put before him how much we should eat and how often we should bath to lead long and healthy lives. So the leader, standing on a higher platform, said that you all need to listen. He said, I am first of all selecting 3 to 4 people who can join with me, and then we will go to Lord Shiva in order to ask him that how many times we should eat, how many times we should bath in order to lead a happy and healthy life. 4 persons came forward from the mob and showed their willingness to go to heaven to meet Lord Shiva. So from the crowd, 4 people came in order to join the main leader to go and meet Lord Shiva. Voice from the mob came, "Yes, we all agree. You go forward and we are with you." All 5 leaders make their way to heaven. Now let's see scene 2 in the heaven. Leaders at the entrance, gatekeeper, we want to see Lord Shiva. Please convey him the message that we are coming from earth and we will not take much time of his. Gatekeeper goes inside and come back with a information. Reports, I am sorry, you can't see him now. He is busy in a meeting with Lord Brahma and Lord Vishnu, and all together are discussing a serious urgent issue. Leaders, did he ask us to wait? Gatekeeper, no sorry, he will not be free so soon. You can give me the message and I will convey it to him. So when all those representatives from the earth went to heaven in order to meet, the gatekeeper stopped them at the gate. So the person informed the gatekeeper that we are here to meet Lord Shiva, and please convey him the message that we will not take his much time, but we want to meet him. So when the gatekeeper goes inside in order to seek the information, he says that he is sorry because he won't let the people from the earth meet the God. He said Lord Shiva is busy in a meeting with Lord Brahma and Vishnu, and all together were discussing something really urgent. Leaders asked that if he asked them to wait, and gatekeeper said sorry, he will not be free soon, and he told that if you can convey the messages to him. Leaders, they write down the issue over a sheet of the paper and hand it over to the gatekeeper. Okay, give this sheet to Lord Shiva and we are waiting here for the reply. Gatekeeper, wait, I will do that. He goes inside with the message. After a few minutes, he comes back. Leaders, All wait anxiously for the reply. On seeing the gatekeeper coming back, they asked, "What happened? Did he spare time to read our chit? What is his reply to us? Did he ask us to see after a few days or so?" So, after writing all the issues over a chit of paper, they gave it to the gatekeeper, and the gatekeeper went inside, and after a few minutes he comes back. So the people are very much anxious. They are very eager to wait for the reply. And on seeing the gatekeeper coming back, they asked him many questions. Gatekeeper, no, 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 please wait. Give me a little time to tell you. Leaders, okay, please tell us. Gatekeeper said he asked Nandi, his bull, to do the job. He is sending Nandi to the earth and he will convey you the message. You can go to the earth and wait there for Nandi to come and deliver you the message. Leaders, a little disappointed but a little relieved too. They all go back to the earth and wait for Nandi. Now let's see the scene 3. Nandi starts from heaven. Nandi said to himself, "Well, Lord Shiva has told me that people on the earth will pray 3 times a day and eat once a day. I'll reach to the earth soon and deliver the messages of Lord Shiva to the people of earth." On his way to earth, Nandi comes across a pasture of green grass and has a good meal over there. After walking for some more, he comes across some leafy bushes and snakes on the leaves. Once more he resumes the journey. Walking from some distance, he sees an orchard and gets tempted to the sample of some of the delicious food. His stomach is full and he is little tired, thirsty, and dirty. He sees a river in the distance. He drinks some water, wades into the river, and has a bath. Once more, he is back on his track to the earth. By the time he reaches the earth, he has had so many stops and done so many things that he is confused about Lord Shiva's message. At last, he is there on the earth, surrounded by the people, waiting for the message. So finally, after eating so many things, Nandi finally reached the earth, and the people over the earth were eagerly waiting for Nandi and his message. Now let's see the scene 4 on the earth. Nandi on the earth surrounded by the people. A little commotion due to impatience on the part of the people. But soon they quietened down and ready to listen the message sent by Lord Shiva. Nandi said, "Well, Lord Shiva has sent me here. According to his suggestion, you will eat 3 times a day and pray only once daily." People in the mob are happy. They are shouting, "Hey ho, hey ho, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray." So my dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. I request you to write. I'm sharing a PDF file in which all the 4 scenes are given. You can write the same in your Fairbook. Thank you and have a nice day.